Something incredible coming on Start With Heart. A field trip. Come along. Welcome to
Start With Heart.
Calm yourself. Take a breath. You can even count to 3. And that gives you time to think. You can think about what emotion you're feeling and why. And then you can act.
To be or not to be?
That's not at all what I was talking about.
You want more Scorsese? Like, am I a clown to entertain you? To be laughed at? What makes you fun?
How was school?
Awful. Horrible. Dramatic. Traumatic. Schematic.
Well, this should be interesting. Do tell, Pee-wee.
Allie has a skateboard and I just wanted to try it out. No big deal, right? And she totally said no in the rudest way. Let me ride your skateboard.
What are each of you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my mama. I'm thankful for my pa. I'm thankful for the jokes you tell that make me go ha ha.
I'm thankful for my buddies.
Friends are such a treat.
I like it when they join me so they can watch me eat.
Icebergs are melting near the Alaskan shore. In all my 31 migrations, I've never seen this with my eyes. So many miles of melting glaciers, making the ocean rise. Down below there, see that polar bear.
And his friends also feel that way, so he goes along with everything they say. I don't believe they're always right, but like a gang, they always take one side. My cousin said to me, you need to choose. Are you with the Reds or the Blues? I said, I'm not red and I'm not blue. I use my brain, that's what I do. Others do not decide my views.
I'll be purple polka dots if I choose.
What you doing?
Don't bother me, I'm strategizing.
Sounds exciting. What's the objective?
There's a kid at school who's been mean to me. I'm figuring out a strategy to defeat him. Don't bother me.
This looks pretty complex here.
Oh, it's an 18-part plan that involves half my class, a budget of $13,000. Can I buy you a credit card?
Each pounding chord. Shadows made him turn suddenly. Then with a wink, he smiled at me.
When you are meeting someone new, there's something nice that you can do. Being kind.
I got it. Here we go. Starts with a word.
Like bonjour,
Bonjour.
aloha.
Aloha.
A lot of things seem impossible, but they aren't.
That's a good point, but wait, I have no idea what you're talking about. But you,
Hey, Pee-wee. How's it going?
hey, Obadiah,
Yeah?
this truck talks.
The truck talks. Sure it does, Pee-wee.
If you're mad, let it out, you can vent. Write it down, write it down, write it down. You can write to the president.
Really?
Write it down, write it down, write it down. With pencil or with ink. A computer if you think you have something to say. Right away, okay, write it down.
You know what? I'm just gonna take a nice, long, hot shower. I haven't even turned it on yet.
Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking on the seashore. Seashore, the seashore, we're walking near the sea.